Hello, Clear Broad, North Dallas. 2021 4Runner TRD Pro, full wrap, full roof, full doors, full everything. Ceramic coated with a 5-year coating, tinted fully all glass with XPEL XR Plus, and the windshield topped off with the DynoFlex windshield protection film on the outside and the 70% XPEL XR Plus on the inside. So let's take a quick walk around this thing here and see what we got. So we're outside, so it's a little bit bright. I'd rather do these inside, but typically, like we always do, all these edges wrapped. All this all wrapped in. No lines, everything wrapped around. This off, wrapped underneath. No lines, no debris, nothing in any of the film. All these removed underneath, wrapped in. Fender all wrapped in. A-pillar fully done in one section, all the way back here, removing all the TRD Pro emblems, putting them back over so there's no lines around this, and then coming around here, the door handles, the cap all wrapped in, the quarter panel all wrapped in, taillights come out all wrapped in, easy enough. Corner here all wrapped. Spoiler, everything's done, everything looks great. I'll be just 1 minute. Coming into your rear hatch, fully done, all in here. All this nicely wrapped in, wrapped edges. Everything's looking fantastic. And there it is. And the window film, again, is the XR Plus product. And that's it, folks. TRD, getting ready to go out on a big trip for these people. Wanted to make sure it comes back looking the same. Just hate to buy a new car and then take on a whole bunch of rock damage. So this is it. ClearBroadNorthDallas.com. 214-414-3809 is our number if you need to get a hold of me. I'm Brent, extension number 1. And that's it, folks. Any questions, let us know. Thanks for watching.